Hello everyone. So this is another MCQ series on forestry that we were discussing from last few lectures. In this series, we try to cover all the important MCQs for all the chapters that are included in the syllabus of APSC forestry examinations. So if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe this channel. And if you really like this video, then do like and share it to friends. So without any delay, let's come to the lecture. So first question is, man is a, option A, producer, option B, consumer, option C, herbivore, option D, none of the. So man কি হয়? Producer, ne consumer, ne herbivore, ne none of this. We know that man is obviously consumer. Okay, so it cannot be producer. So option B will be correct. Then next question: the two major functional components of an ecosystem are option A, energy flow and food chain. Option B, mineral recycling and energy flow. Option C, food chain and decomposers. Option D, energy flow and decomposer. You see that decomposer is very important, right? So automatically we come to the option C and D. Now, what will be the correct option among C and D? If you notice carefully, we'll see that food chain and decomposers is the or are the major functional components of an ecosystem, because food chain is mandatory and as well as decomposers. So option C is the correct answer. Then coming to the next question, the pyramid of energy is always energy pyramid to option A inverted, option B upright, option C both of these, horizontal, option D inverted in forest ecosystem. The correct answer will be upright. We know about energy pyramid or pyramid of energy because in the last lecture we have already gone through it. So the pyramid of energy is always upright. B is the correct option. You will see in this diagram, I have all again included this diagram, means this figure for you. Energy pyramid: primary producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, third level consumers, and apex predator. At each level, suppose from primary consumers, let me try to draw it. Primary consumer to primary producer to primary consumer. So if initially it is 100%, now it becomes 10%. Matlab 10% divide হৈ গৈ আছে. Okay, means 10% is reduced from the earlier level. So 100 by 10, 10. So 10 by 10, that is 1. So secondary consumer from primary consumer to secondary consumer. So that will be 1. Then again 1 divided by 10, that is 0.1 in the third level consumer. Then 0.1 divided by 10, that is 0.01 at the top, that is apex predator, right? And you will see that I already told you that decomposer is a very important or essential part of the ecosystem. So decomposer is linked to every piece of this, because প্ৰতিটোৱে মৰিব আৰু মৰাৰ পাছত কোনে decompose কৰিব? Decomposers, right? Everyone will die and it will be decomposed by some decomposers. So it is linked to decomposers. But again, energy loss, why these things are reduced? Because energy loss as heat, right? And we know that ultimate energy that we have got is from sun, that is sun energy, right? So then decomposers decompose the things and recycle nutrients, again come to the primary producers. So primary producer and again this food chain continues. So this is the energy pyramid, and you will see that this is upright. Well, coming to the next question. The driving force of the ecosystem is option A, carbohydrates in plants, option B, biomass, option C, solar energy, and option D, producers. So এতিয়া আমি দেখিলো যে sunor energy to main হয়, so option C is the correct answer, that is solar energy. Then the decomposers in an ecosystem constitutes the following topic level. Decomposers to কোনটো level থাকে? T1, T3, T5, T4. So this is ultimate level, that is T5. Decomposer is at T5. Then ecosystem creates what? Food chains, food web, both or none of the above. So ecosystem, in an ecosystem, we may find both of them. That is both food chain and food web. But for that, you have to know what is food chain and food web. So if you look at this figure, that this side, this particular side, this is food chain. What is the difference is that here one level to another level is going on, right? Etar pra antule goi ase. At the top, it is the apex predators. This is the primary producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumer. At the top, apex predators, right? Eta angle goi ase. Okay, just one pot of energy. But this part. Let me take another color. This part is what linked to each other. All possible energy part is a direction খিনি দেখুৱা হৈছে. This is what actually it is, right? So all possible energy part মানে কোনটোৱে কিন্তু খাব, কোনটোৰ পৰা কোনটো energy, কাৰণ ইয়াক suppose এইটোৱে খালে, so this means what? If it eats this one, so energy goes to this, right? Suppose A2 khale, so the energy flows from here to here. So again A2 ultimately, suppose it is being decomposed and decomposed by this one, so energy transferred here. Okay, similarly this mice can be again taken by this eagle, right? So there are several possible energy paths exist in the case of food web, while only one part of energy exists in the case of food chain. That is the difference between food chain and food web, and both of them are actually exist in case of an ecosystem. So I hope it is clear. Okay. Coming to the next question, what is contributed from the outer space in an ecosystem? Outer space or our ecosystem ole ki ahe? So option A, all the atmospheric gases. Option B, only carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Option C, energy only. And option D, all the above components. So answer will be energy only. Outer space, obviously you have seen that solar energy, so that's right answer. Option C is the correct answer. Next question, which one of the following is a reversible source of energy? So reversible source of energy means from A to B, energy is transferred. Again, from B to A, energy can also be transferred. So if you look at the sources, petroleum, coal, trees, they are not reversible source of energy. Okay, only at a direction of from one direction only it is flowing. So, but in the case of nuclear fuel, this is a case of reversible source of energy. This direction, it will transfer again from this back to this direction. So, what will be the correct answer? Correct answer will be option C. Then next question, ecological pyramids are of how many types? Get a different types. 2 types, 3 types, 4 types, 5 types is again a very important question. The correct answer will be 3 types. And what are the 3 types? The 3 types are pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, and pyramid of energy. Pyramid of number, pyramid of biomass, and pyramid of energy. Okay, so let's have a look at each of them. So we have seen that there are 3 types of ecological pyramids: energy, number, and biomass. Number is also sometimes called as population size. Now, base represents producers and size decreases in the higher topic level, as we already know. Now, in the case of sorry, pyramids of energy, we have seen that 10% energy is reduced at next level, means from here to here we have seen the energy loss as a heat, right? Now this is a pyramid of energy. We already got it. Now pyramid of biomass. Now in the case of biomass also, it decreases towards upper level. 1.5 gram per meter square, third level of consumers, like this. Okay, so pyramid of biomass, in this case also available biomass decreases towards the above level or upper level. Now third level, the pyramids of numbers, same thing. একদম producer levelত বহুত বেছি নাম্বাৰ থাকে, তাৰ ওপৰত থকাখিনি পিছত কম থাকে, দেন একেবাৰে লাষ্টত apex predator ক্ষেত্ৰত আৰু কম থাকে. That is pyramid of numbers. So we have seen 3 ecological pyramids: pyramids of energy, pyramids of biomass, and pyramids of number. Coming to the next question, the cycling of elements in an ecosystem is known as. Elements can just cycle hoy, hetu ecosystem just cycle hoy, that process is known as what? Chemical cycle, biogeochemical cycle, geological cycle, geochemical cycle. That is known as biogeochemical cycle. Tinita ase biogeochemical. Okay, what is biogeochemical cycle? If you look at this diagram, little portion cut out, this is respiration. Okay, so sunlight, this is the producers, right? From producers, this is the primary consumer, animal uptake. Okay, respiration of energy. So ultimately, this is the sunlight where everything or every energy is coming from the sunlight or as a solar energy, right? That is being taken by producers and producers to primary consumers, then consumers suppose died off and decomposers by decomposers like this one. Okay, then this is again decomposed, again come back to the producer, right? So this process is known as biogeochemical cycle. Okay, so that's the end of the question. So I hope each of the question is clear. So very soon we will meet it at next lecture with some new questions. So till then, take care. Bye bye.